Imagine a plane so massive, yet so agile. It can drop troops into the heart of the battlefield and then vanish like a ghost. The C-17 Globemaster III is not just a transport aircraft, it's a flying fortress with the grace of a hawk and the guts of a warrior. The C-17 was developed by McDonnell Douglas in the late 1980s, and after the company merged with Boeing, the Globemaster entered service in 1995. Since then, it has carried out critical missions in Iraq, Afghanistan, and most recently played a crucial role in rapid humanitarian airdrops in Gaza and Ukraine. Wingspan 51.75 meters, payload 77.5 tons tanks, trucks, even helicopters. Top speed 830 km/h, range over 4,400 km without refueling. Short takeoff and landing, STOL, capable only 1,060 meters needed to land. While the C-130 Hercules is older and more common, and the C-5 Galaxy is bigger, the C-17 hits the sweet spot: speed, capacity, and flexibility. It's the backbone of the US Air Force's rapid deployment strategy. And now, with tensions rising in Eastern Europe and the Pacific, its role is more vital than ever. Not just a cargo hauler, this bird can deliver special forces deep behind enemy lines or evacuate hundreds in a flash. For the troops, the C-17 isn't just a ride, it's hope. It brings supplies, takes them home, and sometimes saves lives in ways no one sees. While it doesn't drop bombs, it delivers something more powerful: presence. A message that says, we're here, and we've got your back.